Well, here we are. Okay, Spies, come on. Oh dear. Hey, wait for me! Someone in there. I better go check around. They should be here somewhere. Oh! Okay, now it's our chance. Go! Okay, let's go over my plans. You guys follow me. Okay, no problem with that. Hey, stop with that! Ah! Haha. Yes, I got it. Got it. Arg! They're getting away! Fire! Oh, they got away! Oh! Get back to the set! We got the hibernate! Get the secret battle pass! Every man for himself! Take that! Ow! Oh! No! Everyone get back to the ship!
Hey, wait for me! Take that, you pirate flanks! This is for my friends!
Ah! No! Oh! She's got it away! Okay, let's take off. Where's mine?
Come and say! Let's go!
No!
Every pirate for itself!
Come back, you cow!
Back off! Back off!
Okay, nice! No! That was easy. Now let's get back to the temple. Gotcha! Ole! Wow, look at that. Welcome to the new episode of Woodpecker Racing Season 3. And now, we have a big race. Near to, how do you say? A New York Raceway.
Yep, I agree with that.
Well, enjoy the race, my friend.
Thank you, Denzel Jr.
No problem. I always help you, but Lindsay keep me in charge.
Okay, now that's an excuse.
Good luck, Bomby. Good luck, you too. And you too, buddy. Okay. Stop. Bob, come here.
See?
Let's get the show on the road. Ready, get set, go! And they're off. This is gonna be the best rating in the whole entire world, right?
I know, right?
Yeah. I hope Junior keeps doing his best work he ever had. let's see what you got. Mustachio! Huh? Does somebody say Mustachio? Ah! Who's hitting me? Hey, no fair! What the actual heck is that? Oh no, Bomby, do something! Got it! It's working! Keep going! Okay, pal, let's do this! Here they come on lap 2! It looks like there's a visible card all the time. It was Mustachio. Mustachio? Come on, go. Mustachio. Nope. No. Hurry, Bomby. Hurry. I don't got much time. Got it. Almost there. Woody and Bomby coming to the final lap so fast. Wow, that was quick. And here comes Kevin, Stort, and Mom. And here comes Plankton, Mustachio. Hurry, Woody! I'm gonna catch you! Don't get me. Don't get me. Oh, no. Hurry. Mustachio. I'm gonna make it. You who pay for this, Mustachio? And we're going to fall. No. And the winner is Mustachio? What a jerk. No fair. No! How could this happen? And why is he cheating? That mediocre so going to get it for this. Oh, hello, friend. Moment, and... Yeah, just like cheating the race, but part of the rule? I think you just heard me. I don't think so, but, anyway. Oh, good. I hope you could keep your secret. And Mustachio! Okay, bye. Yes. Now get him for this. Say. Yes? Denzel Jr.? Say that Clarence is going to retire from racing and he's gonna be a fan. What? He's retired? What? Are you sure? Bomby, maybe you should ask him out. Oh. Okay. Hey kid. Is that true? You're retired from racing? Why yes, Bomby. But this is my last straw. Yeah, I got crashed. Strike's over, and yeah, looks like I'm done. Wait, what about I'm no longer a racer, but I've been replaced by the new racer. What? Which one? Well, you don't want to know. You don't want to need to know, but looks like I'll be the fans on the seats. And this is... And tell Woodpecker that he's not gonna be very happy about it. Because I know he was trying to say Mustachio won the race. What? Oh, no. But you say you can do something. Well, I don't know. But thanks anyway. Oh no, this is not good. Woody! Yes, Bomby? I've heard what Clarence said that The new razor's making room for everyone.
What?
What? Oh, sure.
That's not good at all. Uh-oh.